Okay, so you notice that my slab here, they tell me is a clash, right? Because of height, correct? So this section box you can cut in to see what's the clash here. See, clash basically means you don't see any line. It's the connecting line, it's not there. So pick the slab. Oh, sorry, pick this wall. The top offset minus 200. Apply, it should clear, and your line here should be very cleaned up. I mean, it should be very clear. Okay. Yep. So drag this backward. Now is the toilet wall. Now, toilet wall, you notice this is a bit different. Why? This wall here, especially, they must have waterproofing. So when you draw this type of wall, definitely a lot of difference. Okay, so be careful. All right, for this type of wall is fine. So I'm going to create a wall for bathroom, which is the tiles, and one of face is different. So you need to determine which face you are referring. So ideally, all right, for this wall here also, but here's a bit challenging. All right, because sometimes these are wall in Aki, we do it separately for detail. That means another word, we give them as like a normal wall as for just modeling purpose. But if you later part create as a detail, then when you cut section, you start to modify the area. Okay. So meantime, I might not want to go that level, I mean that detail yet. So I'm just select, this is what, 150? Yeah. So I just simply select my 150 wall, right click, create similar, select one of them, and join it. Okay, looks good. And one piece here, join it, looks good. Okay, so look like this. If can, temporarily cut inside first, because this is your toilet slab, which can see that there's a drop of 50 mm. So in other words, challenging, this wall, this slab here, and this slab here, it should be minus 50 mm, right, for a tiles. So go to Aki, floor, Aki, look for anything that is similar. First story, is there a toilet? There is, right? So first story, there's a WC. I'll select this, something similar. I will duplicate, call it the bath. Okay. Yeah, bath. But normally it should be called bath 1, bath 2, but it's just bath. Okay, leave it bath. Then interior 200. Okay, we got to edit, double check. This is granite. You guys prefer tiles or granite? If granite, then we can leave it the same. No change. Okay. Yeah. Oh, unless you want to put tiles, then have different component on top. That is good enough. Okay, if you want to do that. So green color a bit weird. All right, so I want to change. This one here, I'm using the what happened to my screen? How come the video disappear? Hold on, what's happening? Hmm? Hey, what happened to my screen? The graphic. You guys can still see me, right? Ah, no wonder my Zoom suddenly disappear. Oh my. Okay, back to normal now. So granite WC, I don't want. I want something like tile material. Let's say tile. I think tiles look quite cheap. Okay lah, granite. Okay, convenient. Leave it. Make it easy for all your only your assignment too. Then I request something different. Okay, then I will just sketch this rectangle, but it's minus 50. Okay, I think this 50 thing is a bit old-fashioned, but if you want to follow, go ahead. Or you want to minus 25, I'm still okay. All right, ideally follow lah, your exercise. Apply, sketch your rectangle, and finish this. Say no. It looks like this is normal, so leave it, no worries. Because later part we have our ceiling, conceal it, so you can't see. Meantime, temporarily, I leave it like that first. Okay, so you can see there's an offset compared to this. This is lower. Okay, now drag this out further, my wall. Okay, now you notice there's a piece of wall here outside. Normally, this is something like a ledge to conceal the two line, the connecting point. So how we gonna do that? First of all, I will select exterior wall, which is I think this one. Yeah, right click, create similar. All right, for this particular design, no change. Let me see when I slap here. Whoops, spacebar, trigger it, and I stop here. Okay, so it's telling me there's a overlap. It's okay, no worry. Zoom in, take a look. So overlap, that means this top piece, there's a minus 200. Okay. So my below one, the top offset, minus 200 also. Apply. It looks like that. Okay. Now, this wall here, I will create similar, snap here, and draw stop here, like this. Okay. So this particular design here, it should not be like this. All right, this one should be lower. Later, we shall adjust this. Okay, so if you want to do it now, also can. You may select this top minus 200. Apply, it should be lower. Subsequently, here, you should have a wall connected. All right, for this piece. So how you going to connect them? You see or not? See, there's a latch. So that means here it should be just a normal 200 mm thick slab or pure concrete. So you got this as a ledge. All right. Aki floor, not above, edit type, duplicate. This is the exterior latch, LATCH, which is 200 mm. So this is pure concrete, no nothing. All right, pure concrete. You remove these finishes, delete. Then this one change to 200. It's pure concrete. Okay. Then you sketch this rectangle. Snap from, remember there's an offset, be careful. Snap first to here. Click finish. Remember to say no. So this one here should be 0. Like this. Okay, so it's done. See that? So this wall should be look like this, or this slab at the rear. Okay, so when you see something like this, you must know what is that in Aki. Don't just leave it. All right. So here is actually a latch. Of course, not for you to climb, just that in case, normally wall to wall joint, they must have something to conceal it. See? Here, normally you have something similar, but could be a different design.
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
What is the offset of the exterior latch?
This one, the offset is 0. It follow your standard level height. It should be same. Yeah.
So what's the issue if that it didn't appear on top, but it appear below?
Then you just change because of the height, ma. So it depends on the level. You need to draw, sketch it. Because as I say, you activate your command at your 3D view. Here normally will automatically jump to first story. But if you get your command from the view you want, and you draw your wall or your floor slab, it will based on the level. So always be mindful of that. Check your.
Can I know what's the material that you use?
Just a concrete, nothing else.
Just concrete. Then the granite WC, that one just delete, is it, or what?
No, this is my bathroom toilet. I just use the same material, easy .
Yeah, so so the material will just be granite WC
Yeah, correct. No change. Just the same. So you can see that this building will say start to take place. Okay, not difficult, right?
There's one part missing for me, which is the wall at the outside wall.
Which part? This one?
Is it this one? No, the other one.
Where? Which?
At the end.
Here?
On your, is it this? No. Yeah, this one.
Yeah, just draw same one.
That one will be what? Just.
It's all these. You see, all these are exterior wall. So these are exterior wall .
So it's just normal 200 mm .
Yeah, correct . Our exterior wall .
Alamak. Okay.
That's why we need to name wall differently, interior, exterior, because of the weather, because of exposing to sun, to nature. What type of paint required? Weather bond, right? Weather bond can last like 3 to 5 years. Some like 5 to 7 years, depends how like acid rain. Singapore, luckily we don't have acid rain. Taiwan, we have acid rain. US, sometimes they have acid rain. Chemical, Singapore so far don't have yet Touch wood . Okay. Questions?
Sir? But in 3D view, there is a gap between the wall and the exterior latch.
Here, right?
Yeah.
Why? This piece, like that, no? Okay. Can see, right?
Yes, can see.
Okay, lah. Can see, then good. Important thing is must able to understand.
But for
Yep.
mine, there's a gap.
Still got gap?
Yeah.
You want to show me?
Yes.
Okay, let me save my file first. Then, okay, show me yours. Okay, you check your offset. Edit type. What is the thickness? Thoughts how? You solve it. Okay, apply. Okay. Done already.
Yeah,
No
yeah.
worries.
I
No
got it.
worries.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
no problem. Okay. So by next week, you should be able to finish your model. Then you can submit already. But of course, must have all your doors and windows. Then this will be our challenging week next week. So now it's like 5+. I try to at least get all this part done. So next week we do our roof, then our balcony, and some of the windows and so on. Then if you like to place your furniture, please go ahead. That one I will not stop you. Okay. And depends on what is the requirement. You may need to create some camera view here and there. All right. But if you can't finish it, I'm still okay, because this one later part we still can learn. It's all right for that. Okay. So need not to worry much. But of course, as I say, all this you try your best to do it as much as possible. Here, I only try to help to resolve all those clash, all those connection, and understand the logic behind. Okay, for as like a architectural model. So when you learn your Revit structure, the principal application is identical. Means what? What I mentioned, it could be just applied for your structure, but the methods are the same. Okay. Yeah. So if no questions, we have like 20 minutes or 15 minutes more. So just try to do as much possible. For my case, I try to clear as much possible, then make it easy. So next week we have lesser thing to talk about, or more things to do. Okay. My slab here. So make sure it's okay. See, there's a wall below.
Yeah, we cannot see your screen.
Oh, sorry. Forget to share. Okay, so sorry. Okay, I just draw this wall here. Then I realized that there's this below wall here, which is first story. All right. This is the exterior wall, first story. So how can I clear this? So this is a bit challenging. Let's see. I'll draw my master bedroom bath. Okay, so floor, Aki, latch, select which one. Edit type first. Bath, where are you? Duplicate. This is your master bath. Master bathroom here. MASTR space. Okay. Then no change. Okay. Let's do your sketch. Rectangle. Remember, minus 50. So sketch this. Finish. Say no. Remember. Now, set your view inward to check here our model. How can we rectify this? This guy show there's a clash. Is it? On which slab? Wow. Hold on. Where is our section box? Slab here. Looks okay. Yeah, but because that is your toilet slab, so don't worry, don't care about that. But this one here should be lower. Your top offset should be minus 200 below. But not enough. See, not enough. So this one minus 250. Okay, like this. Yeah. So as long as you won't appear here, then it's good. So this is my walking wardrobe. I need a slab here. So this is the walking wardrobe slab. Should be same material as the master bedroom, unless you won't have something different. Okay, so floor walking wardrobe. So I'm going to select my master bedroom, edit type, duplicate. So I put just walking lah, easier. Walking wardrobe W. So I put OK. No change. Okay. This one no offset 0, and you sketch this to this. Finish it. Nope. Okay, so this part here, we try to extend it. Like that. So see here the clash. This here, be careful. Only this particular piece you may need to adjust slightly lower because it's a toilet. You don't leave it float this way. And this one here later I'll clean up, depends on how the joint going to be. So that's why this is challenging. So I'm going to select this. Sorry, for this particular one here, I will remove the joint. So maybe later. Select this first, right click, create similar. 1, 2, then one more piece will be here, all the way stop here. Yeah, overlap as usual. Okay, so you can see from here now what's the problem. Clash, definitely. Okay, so for this piece here, see 2 separate pieces. Is it same? Yeah, 2 separate pieces, right? So this piece, I will try to drop this top minus 200. Okay, looks good. It's only this piece here. Okay. What else? This piece here. See, So this particular piece here, I will extend the base minus 250 due to the toilet drop. Yeah. Then how am I going to do the cleanup for this particular piece, which is here? So this one, I got to do some modification. Okay. I'm going to edit the profile because if I drop this 200 here, there's a gap and my whole design will be chaos later on. So I'm going to edit profile, set the right view. Remember, see this pick line, select this. Okay, then you pick line this and you pick line this. Okay, cleans up properly. All right. Trim to corner. Hold on. This is whole piece. Split first. Split into two. Then you cleans up this and this. This and this. Finish it. Okay, I think now should be better. See, you're done. Look at it. Oop. Oh, because of my view partially shown. Oh my. Don't tell me I snapped wrongly. Hey. What's happening? See, snap wrongly. Sometimes gotta be careful. See, offset wrongly. Edit again. Wireframe. Cost. Nothing happened. Hidden line. Edit profile. Check hidden line again. Okay. Offset wrongly. So you can use the alignment to here. This one. Then this one, the toilet wall is which one? This one, right? Yeah. So should be this align inward. Nah, like this. So this piece here, you guys must be careful. All right, you offset wrongly, you get different result. So now I set it back to hidden line. It should be okay now. Okay, see, cleans up nicely. All right. If you want this to conceal nicely, also can. Thicker, lor. See now, chin thicker. Okay, because you look from the rear, sometimes people might not aware of it. It looks ugly, means okay lah. But now this view looks kind of funny. See my view here? The line can't be shown. Graphic cuts sometimes play a very important role. Okay, you crop slightly, only the whole view looks different. Okay, everyone okay? All good? I try to do this on my own later, and yeah. Then you guys try to do this also. If you can't get the wall here, what's the height? Check your south elevation and some other view, which is the parts here we got to check. Then next week will be easier for us to do some other stuff. I didn't know it's 5:55 now. Okay, I think we'll stop here. Everyone is online, right? 43. Let me capture your screenshot for your attendance. all tenants taken, I believe. Hey, where's my snapshot? Okay, new snap your view. Okay, file save as. Now is 16, 17, 55, 17, 5, 5. Save it. Okay, guys, we are good. So I'll stop recording. All right, the part for the roof, try to do something. If not, next week can ask me.